What if I told you that this tiny seed, smaller than a grain of rice, could strengthen your heart, build your bones, control your blood sugar, reduce inflammation, and even help you lose weight naturally? You'd probably call it hype. But scientists aren't hyping it. In 2025 and 2026, major studies are calling chia seeds one of the most nutrient-dense foods on the planet. Today, we're diving deep into the 7 life-changing benefits of chia seeds backed by real science and exactly how to use them so they actually work. Stick around till benefit number 7, because the easiest way to use them might be the most powerful. If you're ready to upgrade your health with something ridiculously simple, hit that like button and let's begin. These are chia seeds from the plant Salvia hispanica, native to Central America. The Aztecs and Maya didn't eat them as a trend. They relied on them for long-distance runners, warriors heading into battle, and mothers needing extra strength. The word chia actually means strength in the ancient Mayan language. Fast forward thousands of years, and modern labs are now confirming what those ancient civilizations already knew. 2 tablespoons of chia seeds deliver incredible nutrition in under 140 calories. But the real magic happens inside your body. Let's break it down benefit by benefit. 1. Tiny seed, massive nutrition, the nutrient bomb. Just 2 tablespoons give you 11 grams of fiber, 4 grams of complete plant protein, huge amounts of omega-3s, 18% of your daily calcium, 30% of your daily magnesium, plus iron, zinc, phosphorus, and antioxidants. Nutritionists call this nutrient density. You get more nutrition per calorie than almost any other food. Think of chia seeds as nature's multivitamin, except your body actually absorbs them better than pills. No wonder researchers are obsessed. Number 2. Antioxidant powerhouse, your daily cellular defense. Right now, as you are watching this video, free radicals are attacking your cells, speeding up aging, increasing inflammation, and raising disease risk. Chia seeds are loaded with powerful antioxidants like quercetin, camphorol, and chlorogenic acid. These compounds don't just neutralize free radicals, they also protect the delicate omega-3 fats inside the seed itself. Result? Lower oxidative stress and stronger daily defense for your entire body. It's like giving your cells backup every single morning. Number 3. The ultimate hunger hack, stay full for hours. Ever eat a big meal and feel hungry again 60 minutes later? Chia seeds fix that. When mixed with liquid, they absorb up to 12 times their weight in water and turn into a thick gel. This gel slows digestion, triggers fullness hormones, and keeps you satisfied for longer. Combined with their protein, they naturally reduce cravings and help you eat less without feeling deprived. Studies show people who add chia seeds to their meals consume fewer calories overall. Not magic, just smart biology. Pause for a second. Do you struggle with constant hunger or snacking? Drop yes or no in the comments. You're not alone. 4. Heart protection, the omega-3 and fiber combo. Heart disease is still the number 1 killer worldwide. Chia seeds fight back in multiple ways. Their plant-based omega-3s, ALA, reduce inflammation in blood vessels. The fiber lowers bad LDL cholesterol. Together, they help improve blood pressure and keep arteries more flexible. 2025 research continues to show that regular chia seed intake supports better cardiovascular markers. Every spoonful is a quiet act of love for the heart that never stops working for you. 5. Stronger bones, even without dairy. Surprised? Gram for gram, chia seeds contain more calcium than most dairy products. But they don't stop there, they also deliver magnesium and phosphorus, the exact minerals your body needs to actually absorb and use that calcium. This makes chia seeds an outstanding plant-based option for stronger bones, especially if you're dairy-free, vegan, or lactose intolerant. Your bones get what they need, no matter your diet preference. 6. Blood sugar stabilizer, steady energy all day. Blood sugar spikes and crashes make you tired, foggy, and hungry again. Over time, this leads to insulin resistance and bigger problems. Chia seeds slow down how fast sugar enters your bloodstream thanks to that same gel they form in your gut. This creates smoother energy, fewer cravings, and less stress on your pancreas. Clinical studies on people with type 2 diabetes showed clear improvements in blood sugar control when chia seeds were added daily. This isn't hype, it's published science. 7. The easiest superfood in the world. Here's what I love most about chia seeds: they require almost zero effort. No cooking. No strong taste. No complicated recipes. Just add them. Stir into smoothies, sprinkle on yogurt or oatmeal, make overnight chia pudding, my personal favorite. Mix into salad dressings or baked goods. 2 tablespoons a day is the sweet spot. Small habit, massive return. If you're new to chia seeds, start slow, begin with just 1 teaspoon per day. Their high fiber can cause bloating if you go too fast. Always drink plenty of water with them, they expand dramatically. Give your body 7 to 10 days to adjust and you'll avoid any discomfort. Chia seeds are tiny, but their impact is enormous. From heart health to bone strength, blood sugar control to natural appetite management, this one small seed delivers big results when used consistently. The ancient civilizations were right all along. Now it's your turn. Which benefit surprised you the most? Have you tried chia seeds before? What was your experience? Drop your answer in the comments right now. I read every single one. If this video helped you, smash the like button, thumbs up, subscribe for more simple, science-backed health upgrades, and hit the bell so you never miss a video.